Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to add Lightbox on Wix. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to animate it. So first of all, open your Wix site editor, and now click on add and click on interactive, and you will get this Lightbox category here, and from this list you can select any type of Lightbox. So I'm going to select here welcome, and I'm going to dragging this into my website. And now you can select and change anything from the Lightbox. And to change the to set the triggers, click on set triggers, and you can give the Lightbox name, and automatically display Lightbox on page. You can turn on this. Which pages is it on? Click here and select that page or those page you want to visible the Lightbox, and scroll down and you can set a delay, or I'm going to selecting here 0. And how does Lightbox close? Turn on X icon, or you can add a close button by enable this option. And this is how we can add Lightbox to our Wix website. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to animate. Thank you for watching.